pregnancy is often a pleasant surprise. Of course, there are times that pregnancy can come as a shock. Although most unplanned pregnancies are still pleasant surprises, it doesn't make the situation much easier. There are steps you can take to make an unplanned pregnancy a pleasant experience. First, speak with a friend or family member you can trust. You'll need someone who will be supportive and not condescending. It's already an emotional time for you. The last thing you need is the added stress of defending the pregnancy. Second, once you're past the initial stages of finding out about your pregnancy, prepare yourself for the varying responses of other people. You may get receptions that are congratulatory, and you may get some who are judgmental. Be prepared for both. Also remember that what's done is done. It's not constructive to look back in regret, anger, or despair. It is better to look forward and to make the best of the surprise situation. Third, don't feel as if you're alone. Unplanned pregnancies happen to many people. There are support groups both online and offline available to help you through this confusing time in your life. Seek their counsel. Don't be afraid to voice your own fears and concerns. You may find the sessions very therapeutic. Fourth, prepare to inform the baby's father. Obviously it won't be easy, and you'll get a varying range of responses from excitement to denial. Hopefully, the father will be supportive and can help you through the pregnancy. Fifth, be aware that your body is in a different state. Because you're now pregnant, your body is flooded with hormones and is transforming every day. Take this into account when talking with people and prioritizing your life.